wherein I have to portray those emotions very sweet, very opposite to who I am, is going to be challenging. For now, we just talk about food a lot. He's a foodie. I said, "What's your Insta?" And I was just scrolling down. I couldn't find just one single picture of yours. It's just food. Acting is all about give and take. It can't be just one-sided. That if I'm performing and you're not performing, or if you are performing, I'm not performing.
It's not like हाँ okay ऐसा होता है. That ऐसा होता है attitude is very wrong. Firstly,
अच्छा हुआ दीदी आप रुचिता को ब्यूटी पार्लर ले आई, सुंदर लगेगी तो शादी जल्दी हो जाएगी।
अच्छा तो लड़कियों को फिर कॉलेज नहीं ब्यूटी पार्लर आना चाहिए, है ना आंटी?
थैंक यू आंटी, आपने मेरी इतनी फिक्र की।
A very big congratulations first of all on starting a new journey with a new show, that too on a new channel. How are you guys feeling first of all?
Very excited. Also, thank you so much. बहुत excited. How about you?
very very excited. It's a very 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 good concept. It's a very non-cliched, different, unique story, which is even more exciting for everybody in the cast and crew. So yeah, looking forward.
Okay, Manisha, I would like to know, since you have been a part of television and you have been in a very popular shows. I have seen you in Swaragini also, and then lot of shows I have seen you. But then, what was different about this character?
So all the characters that I've portrayed so far, this character is something that I am not in real life. Okay, of course I'm confident because Ritu was an ex-model, and she was a confident personality. She had a say in everything. But now, since she's married and Goyal family mein hai, so Goyal family mein how she's going to manage, with the clothes, with the traditions, with not saying yes to everything, and adjusting sometimes. So me not being Ritu in real life and in real life, wherein I have to portray those emotions very sweet, very opposite to who I am, is going to be challenging, and that's why I'm excited about it.
Suraj, what did you find different about your character that just made you do the role?
For me, this character was what I've always visualized in life. I'd like to be as a very business-focused workaholic. Doing very well for themselves meaning the family, obviously. A doting brother, father, son, and yeah, it's a very good story. It's a very good concept. Including herself being very seasoned actors. Obviously, I would like to learn a lot, and I am learning a lot. So it's a good experience.
I would like to know, since the show has just begun and you have just started working on your character, how deeply are you connected to it?
I am trying. Day one, I was very nervous because, for me to create a story behind Ritu, performing it, doing justice to the character, takes time. I'm getting into the character with when my director told me that, she has an air about herself. She has her own personality. When you walk in the room, she wouldn't be a normal person. You would definitely notice her. So yes, of course, I'm trying to give justice to the character.
Suraj, your take, please.
I just feel that from day one, it's a very aspirational character where you can learn good points about this character, and in general also there's no negativity in any character or in the show in general. It's a very black and white show. There's no grey area in the middle that it could be misunderstood or misinterpreted. So that's a good point that I'll take away from this in real life.
I would like to know, what equation do you guys share on the set, since you have started shooting and you have started gelling up together? So what kind of equation do you guys share?
For now, since we're very, very new, we're trying to know each other more. For now, we just, talk about food a lot. He's a foodie and I'm a foodie as well. I love to eat. I mean, oh my God, the kind of profession I'm into, it should be exactly the opposite, but it's not. Apparently, I love to eat, and all the junk, not healthy. I'm completely against healthy food, though I wouldn't promote that at all. But yeah, we talk about food a lot.
At least my social media profile is all about food.
Not 100%, actually 100 and 200%. He does not have a single picture. When I said, "What's your Insta?" and I was just scrolling down, I couldn't find just one single picture of yours. It's just food.
So yeah, it's all about food. But that's one thing that broke the ice, not just between us, between everybody on set.
Since now I know the equation, but then what was the first impression of you both when you guys met to each other?
So for me, my first impression of her was when I saw her on the scene enacting her first scene, or rather her first audition. I mean, I just felt that she's already suiting the character. It's already hers. This is not the first time she's auditioning for it. So it's not like she had to adjust to it or have the patience to understand the character. It just happened in the split of a second, according to me.
Well, thank you. This wasn't expected, but for me, somebody was sitting in a corner and I was doing my look test. So I saw somebody, oh my god, he's handsome. Yeah, so that was my first impression. When I started doing scenes with him, then yes, he was very, not like very arrogant actor, wherein if I tell him something, let's do this, because acting is all about give and take. It can't be just one-sided, that if I'm performing and you're not performing, or if you're performing, I'm not performing. It needs to be both sides. So we both were, really, he was very understanding towards that side, and I said, give me suggestions whenever you think I'm not in the character, or, oh, Manisha, you could have done this. This would have looked nice, Or when I asked him, he said, yeah, please, go ahead. So we try to make scene more beautiful, and I think that's the best part about us.
Exactly, I completely agree.
Since it's a social topic and you are being a part of the show where you are portraying it as a obviously in every family, in every household, we see that racist remark. Yeah. So do you find a sense of responsibility and then at the same time pressure? Because Indian society, and you have always been brought up into that society. So do you find it that will you be able to convey it to the audience?
Of course it is. More than a responsibility, I'm happy that I'm a part of this show because I have been through the same, okay? I have been rejected just because of the color. I have been not auditioned and told that I'm not fit in the character just because I'm dusky. So that is why I'm very, very proud that I'm doing this character, because this is something that I wanted to tell people, that why do you judge someone just because of the color? Why do you have this perception about people that, oh my god, this girl is fair, so she has to be pretty? So that is something that actually I'm very happy and proud about, that I'm a part of this show. And I would love that if people, even if one person I could change from this show, I would be more than happy.
Suraj, your take on the same. Have you ever felt or been a part or have experienced something like that because of your skin tone, your figure, your physique, and you got rejected or anything like that?
Not me personally, but if you're in India, it's impossible that you've not come across somebody else being rejected. Or like she said that it's really surprising to me as of today. It's not like, okay, aisa hota hai. That aisa hota hai attitude is very wrong firstly. But at the same time, you can't judge somebody on their looks. So this is a very good message that I feel encouraged to portray this message through the show, that you cannot judge somebody by the looks.
So Manisha, I would like to know, since it's Bigg Boss 15 going on and your friend Tejasvi Prakash is on the reality show, what would you like to say about her?
Her sense of humor, she's very witty, very smart. I wouldn't say that she doesn't know how she's gonna play the game. She has planned it very well. She knows how to win hearts, and I'm very, very proud of her, and I'm wishing that she wins the show. I'm very, very happy.
I followed the last Bigg Boss where Rubina Dilayak was a winner, but this Bigg Boss I didn't follow too much. Just didn't get a chance, but I will start soon though.
A last message from you both for the fans and the viewers of Telechakra.
So first of all, I would like to say thanks to all the fans that actually have loved me so much so far, and they still message me about Radhakrishna, so I'm still a part of the show. I'm not saying that I've exited the show yet. And thank you. I'm very, very excited that you guys are going to see me as Ritu now. Just love me as you have always. And thank you, I love you all.
Just like to say that this is a very unique show, like we've said in the start, and you guys should watch it for the sheer simplicity, the polite message, and the loving gestures that this family portrays in every episode, in every scene, in every dialogue of the show, and hope to entertain you guys for years and years to come.
Hey guys, this is me, Manisha Saxena.
Hi, I'm Suraj Punjabi, and you're watching me on Telechakra.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakra's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.